Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to live stream to YouTube from a Windows 11 PC or laptop. You will be able to live stream your desktop as well as edit images such as a stream overlay, and we'll be using OBS. OBS is a free piece of software that also allows you to record your PC screen too, and there are a few slightly different versions of it. We'll use standard OBS in this video, but the method will be very similar in other versions. You can use this method if you want to stream content from a games console that is using a capture card connected to your PC. You'll just need to make sure you choose the correct video source a little later on. If you don't have OBS installed already, I have a separate video that will walk you through the entire setup process, including some of the settings you might want to change. Click the card on screen now to watch that video. It's less than 10 minutes, so it won't take too long. Once it's set up, you can return to this video and we'll set up the live stream. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. In OBS, you should see a preview of what will be streamed. You can add multiple sources in the sources section, and this could include things like an image overlay. Also, make sure the settings are tailored to what you want your stream to look like and the capabilities of both your internet connection and computer hardware for encoding. You will likely need to test this out and maybe adjust things after every stream to find the perfect settings. To live stream to YouTube, we need to do a few things. First, double check that the settings in OBS are ready to go. Now open your browser and log into your YouTube channel that you want to stream from. Go to your logo in the top right and click on it, and then choose YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, click on Go Live. This is a small icon near the top right. After clicking on that, YouTube will load up the Stream Manager page. First, choose if you want to go live now, which you might if you want to test things, or click on the bottom option to schedule a live stream in the future. We'll choose to stream now to set up things. Next, choose the bottom option. This is the one called Streaming Software. You should now be on the page where you can monitor the stream. In here, you can customize a lot of the stream settings. You aren't live yet, so don't worry if you don't see anything on the preview, as we need to connect to OBS. We'll do this a little bit later. You might want to set this stream to private first in order to test things fully, but it's up to you. To do this, click on Edit, and then set it to private, and then click on Done, and Save. Back on the main page, you can monitor and control most of the things on your stream in here, including checking the health of the stream and some of the quality settings. You can also customize your stream by clicking on Edit again. Feel free to change the name, description, thumbnail, and more about your stream in here. Once you are happy with the settings, click on Save. We'll now connect our stream with OBS. To do this, first make sure you are in the Stream Settings tab of the main page in your browser. In here, look for the section called Stream Key. This is obviously very sensitive and should never be seen or shown, so be careful. Click on Copy and it will copy the key to the clipboard. Leave this browser window open as we'll need it to manage the stream, but head back into OBS and then click on Settings. And then choose Stream from the options on the left side to go into the Stream Settings. In here, change the setting in the service box to YouTube RTMPS. Now paste your stream key that we copied in the stream key box. Once it's pasted, click on Save to exit the settings. You can now click on Start Streaming in OBS, and after a few seconds it should load up on YouTube and you will see the preview. There's plenty more settings to change and customize on YouTube, for example with things like the live chat and more. I'll let you have a look at all of these as they are obviously personal preference. You can end the stream on both YouTube and in OBS when you want to stop streaming. And so that is how to live stream to YouTube on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. That video might help improve the performance of OBS and allow you to record or stream in higher settings. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.